Hello people! So today's video is not a normal video, just this challenge that's been going around and I've seen it on Instagram. I do not know who started it. I saw Shan EXO do a video, like she did a tutorial I think, like I'm doing right now. I do not know who came up with it, but people have been doing it and it just seems really fun. I've mainly seen it on Instagram, but basically if you don't know what it is, it's called the Bratz challenge. Meaning Bratz dolls obviously, and basically you just pick a Bratz doll and you try and transform yourself and kind of do their makeup, attempt the hair like I have. That is what I've done today. I have attempted to transform myself into this chick right here. This is Yasmin, a Bratz doll that I decided to do for the challenge, and yeah, it was just a really fun video to do. It's not a serious video, so yeah, I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna get into it. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. And yeah, just keep watching. So I have primed one eye. I'm gonna just do it on camera. I've not tried anything, so I'm literally just going off the picture. I'll insert the picture here so you can see again which look I'm gonna go for. But yeah, this is Yasmin. I'm pretty sure she was one of my favourite Bratz dolls. I had her when I was a kid. Attempt to get this, you know, crazy hairstyle that she's got going on, but I don't know if I'll be able to. But I'll do that after I've done the makeup. So I'm going to do the eyes first, as you can probably tell from me priming one eye already. I think, as you can see, very smoked out wing situation she's got going on with the eyeshadow, and I don't know why she's got purple in her eyeball literally, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I'm going to get some purple in somehow. So yeah, this is what we're going to try and do. It looks like she has silver shimmery eyeshadow as her brow bone highlight, so that's new for me. So yeah, we're gonna try this. Alright. So I'm gonna be using my Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. It has a lot of good smoky shades, to be fair. If I keep looking down, I'm looking at the picture of her on my phone. Oh my god. Start off with Weekender, which is this shade here. I'm just gonna pop this all in the crease. So I don't know if it comes off pink or anything. Oh, actually this is cool. This is kind of a coolish shade. So I might get away with using this as that crease colour that she's got going on. You can see she hasn't got too much crease action going on. She doesn't seem to like blend in her eyeshadow, so she just goes into a full-on cut crease. I'm gonna take Punk, which I'm quite scared to take, which is this guy down here. I'm gonna take Punk and I'm gonna start to stamp this around the crease and kind of mimic where she has a crease. I think I'm going to do the brow bone highlight just so I don't take this up too far, and I just realised I do not have a silver in front of me, so Dark Magic palette I think it's called, so this guy here which is called Power Cut. I'm just going to put this all around my brow bone, I guess. Who does this? Seriously, Yasmin, I don't know why she was my favourite, because her makeup's not the best. Ever seen a brow bone highlight that goes like that? I'm gonna cut the lid, I'll just show you what I'm doing so it'll make sense then. Liking the look of this being so harsh, so I'm just gonna blendy blend a little bit. I know hers isn't that blended, but I can't stand it being unblended. Over the lid, I thought the closest shade that I kind of had that was cool but a bit shimmery as well is this Maybelline Colour Tattoo. It's in the shade On a Non-Bronze. I love this. It's one of my favourite like pop single eyeshadow things. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the picture, I'll add it here, but she literally has purple inside her eye, like here, like in her eyeball, obviously because it's the doll. So I do have a purple liner, but I don't know how it's gonna work like on top of the Maybelline shadow. So this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, it's in the shade Purple Rain, and I'm gonna like kind of draw it on the back of my hand and then try adding a bit of duraline and see if that makes it into like a liquid liner, because I don't have a purple liquid liner and I don't have any. Oh, or I could turn an eyeshadow into it, obviously because I've got the duraline in there, but that's what I've got. So I'm gonna attempt the shade Guilt Trip from the Born to Run palette. It's just the purple. I'm going to add this all over that liner that I've put on. I didn't think that was honestly going to work, but it did. Head and just do the other eye, and then I'll be back to do like the mascara and all that. Okay, so the eyes are all done. I feel like I've literally been gone for like an hour. Obviously you will have no idea about that, but I just got carried away. I was listening to the Rocky Horror soundtrack. Oops. Anyway, we can move on to the face now. Primer, I feel like a doll is just gonna be, you know, poreless, flawless, you know, so I'm gonna take the No Poreblem primer from Touch in Sol. I love this primer, it feels so nice on the skin. Foundation, full coverage of course, so I'm actually gonna mix two together. And obviously she doesn't seem very glowy, which I'm sad about, and there's no highlight either. I go full coverage and just cover everything. So I'm gonna take the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. This, oh my god, that dropped. It's in the shade Nutmeg, but I feel like this is like my shade for like summer. So I'm gonna mix in a tiny bit of my LA Girl, the white foundation. And to be fair, I like it because this is like too heavy for me. So it will just give it, it'll just even it out for me basically. So I'm gonna mix these two together. Coverage is no joke. I'm done. But this is what we want. We just want a mask on the skin. Look how much I still have. And that's just, it's covered everything. For concealer, again, we want super full coverage. So I'm gonna mix two together just so I get the perfect shade. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Then I'm gonna use my Shape Tape as well in medium. Just gonna pop on the Too Faced one first. And then I will add on the Shape Tape over top. I might actually just be okay with the Too Faced one actually. I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of Shape Tape just for a tiny bit of extra coverage. Obviously I've got breakouts like all over my face, so I've tried to cover them because obviously Bratz dolls do not have breakouts. I wonder if they'll ever make dolls with breakouts on. I mean, I can't see anyone doing that, but it'd be good if they did. It'd be a bit more normal if they had breakouts. Before I do my powder, I am just going to cream contour. So on the get, I'll add the picture here. It doesn't look like she's like sculpted out like contour wise. It looks like she's just kind of got nice bronze skin. So I'm just going to use my warm So Sooth cream contour stick. This just to warm up the skin. I've got a powder bronzer to go over top as well. I just wanted to put this one down first. I feel like it'll just look a bit more natural and just a bit more like skin. Actually use it because I've got so much makeup on my face and I'm not used to this. I'm just going to spray my face quickly. So I'm just going to use my Body Shop Mandarin Mist. Up the skin a bit more and just like set the cream. I'm going to just take the NYX No Filter finishing powder, and this one's in the shade Golden. And I'm going to just use this as kind of like a bronzer. It has no lower lash line eyeshadow on, so I'm just going to leave it. I've just added a bit of black liner just on my waterline. So I'm just going to take some eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Master Precise, and it's and this one's in the shade Forest Brown. So she just has like beauty marks just kind of like here. So I'm just going to... For blush, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics blush in X-Rated. Highlights, I think we've just got lips now. You can maybe see she has a pink lip line with like a very nude light gloss. So I don't know how this is going to look. So I've got the lip, like the gloss sorted. Come on, Jasmine. Could have done something better than this, but I'm gonna go attempt to try this hairstyle. I don't even know what this hairstyle is. It's literally just part. I just need to change the parting in my hair, to be honest, and put it up. So yeah, I'll be right back. I did my hair. I attempted to do it how she has it in the picture. I'll add the picture back again. She literally just kind of like had like a part in here and then like split the rest and just had it up in a ponytail. I don't know. I'm not the best with hair. She found this really fun. It was really fun to do. Even the hair, I had no idea what I was doing, but it was still fun to do anyway. So that is the end of the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I know this was just, it's not a serious video, come on. It's entertaining at least. And remember to make sure that you give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, you thought it was fun, and just make sure that you're subscribed as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.